Encountering issues with Minecraft settings not saving on Windows 11? Our upcoming video has you covered. In just a few seconds, we'll dive into the common reasons behind this problem and guide you through the step-by-step process to fix it. Navigate to your .minecraft folder directory, then search for an Options.txt file. If you don't have it, create a new file by right-clicking anywhere in the window and choosing New, followed by Text Document File. Now copy and paste the following text inside the newly created file, then save it and start the game to test whether saving the settings is working now. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings window and click on Apps, followed by Apps and Features. Once you're inside the Apps and Features window, search for the Minecraft app by typing it in the search bar and click on the three-dot menu, followed by Advanced Options. Scroll down until you find the Reset section, then click on the Reset button. Press the Windows +S key to open the search bar, then type Control Panel and click on the most relevant result. Once the menu opens up, click on Programs, followed by Programs and Features. Now look for the problematic game and right-click on it to choose Uninstall. To reinstall it, head to Minecraft's official website and follow the steps. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.